That was really bad.
It's dog food.
Oh, it's dog food! Ew. Ew. Hurry up! It's going in the dog's mouth, not in my head! Some olives in my mouth.
Oh my god.
Okay, I look like I have like barf all over myself.
Keep going. Okay.
What was my sister's name supposed to be?
And Lindsay.
Nope.
Dang it.
Skylar.
What is that?
Tomato.
Ew! Ew!
She got dog food.
I'm wet of tomatoes.
Good.
Cool. Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Do I sleep with the TV on or off?
You sleep with it off sometimes because you don't like the noise. Yeah. Yeah, so what number?
3.
Oh, it's the paste.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, wait, I think I need a spoon. Oh, whatever.
Ew! Oh!
Okay. Sure. Okay. 1. Why is my sister's name Tawny?
Is your dad named her?
It's after Tawny Katane.
Oh,
I don't know, she's a stripper. Oh, it's raviolis.
Oh my
You get like
god.
all the sauce. I want some.
Here, eat some.
It actually tastes really good.
Okay.
Okay, how many pans do we have left? 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
What family friend was named, what was my sister named, what family friend was my sister named after?
Your aunt. I don't know, I guess.
That's my aunt's sister.
What is that?
Is she?
It's some kind of sauce, it looks like.
Take it in. Just take it.
Oh, it went down my shirt.
Ew! You nasty!
Okay. I don't know what question I didn't do.
There's crap all over.
Okay.
And I'm cold.
Okay. Okay. So before obviously.
Speak up.
What? What hospital was I born at?
St. Jude's.